part of subtraction is figuring out the difference between two numbers, even if we're not talking about the same thing. So in this subtraction word problem that's called woof woof meow, probably going to be about dogs and cats, we're going to be talking about two different things. So we're going to be talking about dogs and cats, and we need to figure out how many fewer of something there are. So the question says, I have 7 dogs and 4 cats. How many fewer cats do I have than dogs? So this is a little trickier. You have to really make sure you're listening. So let's start at the beginning where it says I have 7 dogs. My 7, I'm going to draw 7 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I drew them in a straight line so they're easy to see. When you do this with me, I hope you will do the same. Then I'm going to change the color. My cats, let's make those pink. So I have how many cats? Right here it says I have 4 cats. So right under these 7 circles, I'm going to draw 4 so that they line up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then I'm going to change to a completely different color. Let's go to green. Okay, so I have 7 dogs. Here's my 7 dogs on the top and 4 cats. How many fewer cats do I have than dogs? So we need to figure out what the difference between those two numbers are. So what I like to do is I like to match. So I have 1 dog and 1 cat. I'm going to put a line through those. I have another dog and 1 cat. Another dog and 1 cat. Another dog and 1 cat. And then, oh no, I ran out of cats. I can't match any more cats to dogs. So right here is how many fewer cats I have. So when we go down here to my math statement, we're going to write it down. So I started out with 7 dogs because I want to know how many fewer cats I have. So I have 7 dogs. Take away or minus 4 cats equal how many? Well, another way you can do it if you don't know it right away in your brain is if you don't want to draw a picture, you can use your fingers. So I have 5 here and 2 here, 5, 6, 7, and I have to take 4 away. So I'm going to put them down. 1, 2, 3, 4. I have how many left? 3. So 7 take away 4 equals 3. Okay, this number bond is a little harder. Okay, so my number bond. We start with our big number, which is 7. And remember, when we're doing number bonds, we're figuring out what numbers go in each space to make up this big number. Whoops. Okay, so I have 7 total. We already know that we have 4 cats. And what we're doing is 4 and what number makes 7. So I like to start at 4 and count up because I have 4 cats. We're counting to see how many extra dogs there are. So we have 4, 5, 6, 7, which is 3. Thanks.